In this video, I'll show you how to create a wedding plan with Claude AI. This is a simple way to organize tasks and plan your special day. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a wedding plan. For example, I might type, "Create a wedding plan checklist for a small outdoor wedding." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a wedding plan, usually including tasks, timelines, and important details like venue, catering, and guest planning. If I want a more personalized plan, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the budget, location, or number of guests. For example, I might type, "Create a wedding plan for 100 guests with a budget-friendly approach." Claude can also help organize the plan into timelines, checklists, and task lists. Once the wedding plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it to organize my wedding. And that's it, I've successfully created a wedding plan using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.